This is going to be a video on the heart and its routes. I'm going to first start with the aorta. The aorta is the most significant because it has the most thickest medial lacuna media, and that is the muscle that makes the aorta, or that makes the walls of the aorta vessel. And then besides that, we have the aorta arc, ascending aorta, and then to the aorta arc, which branches to the brachiocephalic, left common carotid, and then right subclavian, which will take care of the organs superior to the heart. And then going down the aorta, it'll go down to the thoracic aorta, and then the thoracic aorta from there will handle all the organs inferior to the heart. And then going from the body, it'll come into the common carotid, into the heart from the from the inferior and superior vena cava into the right atrium. And from the right atrium, it'll go down the tricuspid valve, which is this, and these are those are the ligamenta tendinae, or they're called the chordea tendinae, and those are these string-like projections. And then we have the papillary muscles, and these are all responsible for the preventing of the inversion of the tricuspid valve. And then once the pumping action happens, it'll send blood from there up the valve. That we know is this valve, and that is the pulmonary semilunar valve. From the pulmonary semilunar valve, it'll go up the pulmonary trunk. Up the pulmonary trunk, it'll branch to the pulmonary arteries, which is both left and right arteries. And the other ones are right here, which are these two right here, branches off. So these pulmonary arteries also branch off on this side. It'll go from the lungs into the lungs there, and then it'll go back into the heart from these pulmonary veins on both sides. There's two pulmonary veins on this side and two pulmonary veins on the right side. They go into the left. They go into the left atrium, and then through the left atrium, it'll go into the bicuspid valve. And the bicuspid valve also has this chordea tendinae, and then that has its own papillary muscles into the left ventricle, and these are also responsible for preventing the inversion of the cuspid valve. And then it'll go from there, from the right or the left ventricle, up the aortic valve. And then from the aortic valve, it'll go up the aortic valve, and then through these cardiac veins, or cardiac arteries, I should say, cardiac arteries. This is your left, and this is your right cardiac artery. And in the left cardiac artery, we send blood to the walls of the heart, feeding the heart of the walls of the heart, and viscera, serosa, or the cardium, viscera cardium of the heart, and then it'll diffuse to the left and right veins, and then from the left and right veins, it'll go to the back of the cardiac sinus, which will go back into the right atrium.